guys about sinus skip. Watch your tiger here. Ooh! No, sir, watch a beauty queen here. Watch out. Ooh, they can't see them. Come on side. Father God. Watch out. Oh my God. Bow down. See the people here? Yeah. Beautiful Marja Sinus. Y'all know the beautiful Miss Sinus. Yeah, man, you see it? All people, I'm an auntie. Boy say Auntie Latte. Oh my God, what's here? I'll be a troubling here. Say, go on, innocent, I will go. You say, go on, innocent, I'll be a thing she go with. Yeah, man, there, man. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. We're there. We crew them outside. You know what I mean? Guess where we going today? I got Trelawny. Them say sweet yam. What do you want? Yeah, we're going to Marja Sinus family place today. Today is a birthday. You saw them push me a while ago? So them push me. See them. But yeah, everybody do them thing. But anyway, we're there. We're going to Trelawny, where them say the yam sweet. And everybody get ready. So one bungalow we are going to drive up and down to them. And we going to go. So yeah, they're ready now. They're ready for left out. And they just go on journey the boy. Find a queen Jane. Guess where we are at? What were they? Trelawny. Yeah. We're in the country, man. Your crew, man. Everybody, man.
Oh, look at that person. Come back.
We're gonna take a walk. We're kinda early. You know what I mean? We there and the party not started. Kinda early. Yeah, that dog they're pretty. Look one cute little dog. They're on a hill. See we are? We'll go up a hill. Dog. I think them they go bite me a while ago, that's why. You know? So I come off a hill. Yeah man, so we there now. You know what I mean? We see showing around the place and place. But my son move shy. She afraid. Look at her, look on. Like, what me there? And I know I'm there.
We know where there. You don't know where you're there.
We don't know where they're there. They're Trelawny. Yeah. I'm going to walk up on me. No, walk up on me. Why, you shy? What are you thinking about, my son? Oh! Can't go back to the grave, you know. You know, go boo-hoo-hoo or something. Yo, I got a big brother.
You go boo.
Go boo-hoo-hoo-hoo. So, you saw she run me. Okay. Rib squaler.
Dog, this Embo dog. Guys, this is our van. We drove this. This is our Ford.
I don't know if you say. I feel strange.
And this is the maid's car.
Oh! Monkey boy! Yeah, you never hear that here. Sherry, when you watch this.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Sherry, when you watch this, it's not me here. I was in the coconut tree. I was up there. I wasn't here. The person you saw beside her was a ghost. A figment of your imagination.
Yeah?
But anyway, peace. We're there at Trelawny, man. We're taking it easy. We enjoy ourselves and thing. Place look nice, the breeze nice. Eh? Hey man, see her there in a shot. Come out here. Be a thing. She look like one cute little girlie. Oh my God. Yeah, you got your birthday party in a third farm. Yeah, and me just look like one lost and found dog.
Ew.
So me look like. You know what I
I
mean?
founded him.
See my daughter here. Yeah, stop it nice. See my daughter here. Say hello. You can stop him.
Come play.
Say hello. You can say hello. See that she give her tend to give herself trouble sometimes, but we nice people. You can stop him.
Bruh.
Walking up the hill. Yeah. Send me the girl instead walking. What watch out. Then I go back to my house in here, Miss Uko. Tana. Man, I go back, I can't go up there. I will go up there at Trelawny. Everybody come out the road. Come out the road. My sister, yeah. Well, I couldn't hurry up. I couldn't live over here, man. Walk hurry up, man. Queer in the country, man. Walk fast, man.
Hey.
What I Saturday? I'm go by you know, man. I give no one I see my girl your car, man.
No, but you're busy with that, man.
No, man, it's alright, man. I'm a chang boy, man. How are you?
No, parents.
Yeah, I want this food.
Yeah.
Me hungry.
No, me can't.
How do you go? How do you go?
Back of God and
Back of God.
left.
Back of God and go left.
Right?
Big up all the angel them. Yeah, man. It's very beautiful, guys.
This is my hometown,
Yeah, Marja hometown right there. I love the country, guys.
Nice, cool breeze.
Very nice. Cool. The food is
Air is unspoiled.
yeah. And just know say if you live a country you live long. The food alone. The food alone is incredible.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when we there at town, I be a processed food.
Yeah.
The food them no good. Burger King and Pizza Hut, it tastes nice, but it's not good for you. Yeah, so we're up on the end, you know. No, sir. It's a workout. We are good on high. I mean, I good on high.
All this nice run
Yeah,
Yeah,
I used to
man.
do it.
Watch it, woman feel what? Hey, you think go through me sinus? Go through. Yeah, no man, that.
Just in dog, yeah.
Bite me, bite your back. Hey, boy,
Mommy.
Mommy, come here.
Hey,
Mommy!
the dog.
Mommy, dog!
Hey.
Me too maga, me can't take no bite.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, man, you can't.
What me mama for come, mommy?
Yeah.
When me say some mommy dog can't bite dog.
Bite, you know.
Mommy where say dog can't bite dog? Mama dog you see me just come home and mommy I call me dog already. Embarrass me for the camera. Now come down there, oi. Come up here, come meet me. I'm afraid.
Wait, Leah, give me a hand.
No. No, she used to the hill, remember the hill sentence. She take her. Hey, it's alright. Get up, mommy. You're strong. Let's go. You're strong, man. Go. Too much pizza out. She lose the country power. The pizza power. Yeah, man. We there, man. You know what I mean? So we there, vlog world. I go link the family now and go and chat. So guess what? We'll just go and journey the boy, yeah? Hey, we walk now, peeps. Go on. So pre them, man. Some good, fresh, goat shit in our atmosphere. It smells good.
See him there?
You know, get that in a Kingston.
Good.
I be a concrete, you smell and smoke. But in country, you get a whiff of that strong shit. You know what I mean? You call them smell them mark for death, you know. Pray to God you not drop in a goat shit, you know. For days you smell ring.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.